The South African Football Association hasn't revealed the nitty-gritty of the bonus structure, but the federation has promised Bafana Bafana players a bounty of 7 million rand if they win the Africa Cup of Nations. The tournament starts in Ivory Coast on Saturday. SAFA and Bafana Bafana players have agreed on the payment structure after a memorandum of agreement was signed by the players and SAFA leadership in Stellenbosch. The association was presented by President Jordan, Vice President Bernard Bailey, CEO Lydia Monyepo, and Head of Delegation David Mulantwa. The players' representatives were skipper Ronwen Williams, Percy Tau, Sianda Xulu, Veli Motwa, and Sambazwane. In SAFA Communications Department, Jordan said everything has to be sorted and all that is left is for Bafana Bafana to do the job on the pitch. He said, "I'm here to make sure every box has been ticked, there's nothing outstanding and everything is in place for them to focus on football, deliver on football and give us the kind of performances that will make the nation take a deep breath and say, we have a team. We have to get the team to focus. We have to clear everything, and if they win, they get 7 million rand. If they lose, they get nothing. We want the team to focus and perform. We have over a period of time settled this team, and we don't want to waste time discussing unnecessary stuff." The president didn't reveal how much players will get if they proceed to the round of 16 and other stages in the build-up to the final. SAFA previously provided a breakdown of how much players would pocket for each stage of a tournament. In a SAFA statement, Monyepo said, "We are happy we could meet the players, hear them, and come to an agreement on the financial side." Though Jordan predicted this year's AFCON to be one of the most competitive, he believes South Africa has a team that can compete. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sport news.